Example 5, find the radius of a circle. In my diagram, BC is tangent to circle A, which means the radius AB and BC intersect at a 90-degree angle. We'll use this right triangle to find the radius R. So first is to identify A, B, and C in the Pythagorean theorem. Where'd you go? All right, so here is the circle, or the right triangle without the circle. Notice we have the radius 48 and R and 36 are the entire hypotenuse. So looking at that again, we have to add those two values together and put that in as C. So in the Pythagorean theorem, we'll have R squared plus 48 squared is equal to R plus 36 squared. R plus 36 is in parentheses. And it should look something similar to this. So R squared plus 48 squared is equal to R plus 36 squared. Now you cannot distribute this square into both of these terms. This is FOIL. So just as a reminder what FOIL is, I have this board. So R plus 36 squared can be expanded to R plus 36 times R plus 36. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last, which means when you multiply the first two terms, R times R, that will give you R squared. The outer terms, R times 36, is 36R. The inner terms, 36 times R, is 36R. And finally, the last terms, 36 times 36 is 1,296. Combine your like terms, 36 R's plus another 36 R's, give you 72 R's. So this is FOIL. This is the main step in when you plug it into the Pythagorean theorem, when you get from this step to this step down here. All right, so from there, we have to continue solving for the radius R. So the first thing is, I want to try and combine my like terms R squareds. So whether I want to move this one over here or this one over here, I have to subtract R squared. No matter which way I do it, the R squareds cancel out, leaving 2,304 is equal to 72R plus 1,296. So from there, continuing to solve for R, the next thing is we need to subtract 1,296 from both sides. Doing that leaves us with 1,008 is equal to 72R. One more step, divide both sides by 72, and we get that the radius is equal to 14. So now we found the radius of the circle, which is 14. So we know that this AB is 14, which is the radius. And FOIL. Don't forget FOIL. You're going to use it in every single step in these types of problems. Every single time you plug in R plus whatever that value is, and you square it, you have to FOIL. Do not distribute that square.